Hello! They're Colson.
And she's Sarah.
And we're here to talk about gender schemas.
Let's break it down, shall we?
Okay, so a couple weeks ago we talked about a guy named Jean Piaget. In 1923, he applied the concept of a schema to the field of psychology. It's used to describe a group of ideas or actions that fit together.
To understand how we think about schemas, let's take dragons as an example. Now, two people's schemas of dragons may be the same, or they could be very different depending on a variety of factors like culture, nerdiness, and so on. If you're from the West, when I say dragon, you may think of a four-legged, two-winged reptilian creature who breathes fire and can fly. However, if you're from the East, you may think of dragons as four-legged serpentine figures who hold a pearl or an egg in one hand and are really intelligent. These are usually viewed as more benevolent or positive than their Western counterparts.
However, the tricky part about schemas is that if something doesn't fit into your expectation, you're likely to reject the idea that it could possibly be included in that category.
Okay, so now gender. Take a look at this awesome image of the genderbread person that summarizes and explains the traits and differences between identity, expression, sex, and attraction.
For now, we're just going to focus on the first three.
Though all four are important.
Gender identity is your internal view of yourself.
Gender expression is how you outwardly portray yourself.
And biological sex refers to your sexual organs, like testes and ovaries.
So you can be a person who is female-sexed, identifies as male, and presents as androgynous.
Or you could be a male, identifies as male, and presents as male.
Neither of these are better or more valid than the other. They just are. Gender schema theory was developed by Sandra Bem in 1981.